Hi everyone, I am Marav's father. So I think before we started this journey, sometime back, I don't know, maybe like other parents, we were skeptical. कैसे करेगा क्या है? It's so technical. I don't know how it's the correlation with the curriculum. And curriculum कहीं और जा रहा है. Our expectation with kids in terms of academic performances or sports भी करेगा, सब कुछ ही कर लेगा. So we don't want to make a Superman. So I think when I met him, my idea was clear that make him better as an overall personality, and he needs to find kids of his own liking and similar hobby and things around. Like-minded kids get together, do something well. So I think it's superbly on track. I don't know, मैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा परेशान करता हूँ राजेश भाई को फोन करके ये हो गया वो हो गया क्या है क्या. But I'm sorry for that if I'm little nagging. But I think I'm extremely happy. Fantastic place this is. I think most importantly जो कि हम देखते हैं कि पढ़ाई में तो इंटरेस्ट पता नहीं क्या है लेकिन यहाँ आना है तो they always find time, they have time, they make time. Even if it's midterm exams, नहीं तो मुझे जाना है जाने के लिए ऐसा ठीक है. So I think that's all kudos to you. So much of hard work must be on the backdrop of this output, and it is so heartwarming to see all these kids give it all a go, and superb. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Mother's mother, and I think, if I'm not wrong, he had to be in the last course in this 10-tech club. But at that time, I was not that convinced, and he was also committed into various activities. But I think because of Mr. Rajesh, he really did not leave me. My mother will really enjoy this course. Just put him here, and now I'm seeing that fruits of that decision. And I think the most important part of this club is that he gets to be with people of same interests, and that's why probably our kids really like to come here. There is no bullying, there is no foul language, and I think this is their happy place where they really come, and also they are growing in a different dimension which we never knew they could grow. Thank you once again. So I think more than us, Avantika did not want to join this class. So she was very skeptical. She said, I don't want to learn technology. I am not going to ever be an engineer. So don't put me into this class. But we came and we met a couple of times because I was keen. I was keen that we both are chartered accountants, and I was keen that she understands new tech, because that's where the child has to learn. Today in school, they don't learn any of this. So we came a couple of times. We had some kind of counseling with Rajesh, and I told her that she also had some reservations, and we were very clear that we will try it, and if we don't like it, we will quit. And I think we don't have to say anything because Avantika loves to come here. So I think it's amazing, and we are very proud to see her doing all that she did, and all the other kids also what they did today, and they'll only grow from here. Thanks.
So what happened was, I've been interviewing, maybe I must have interviewed about 4,000, 5,000 engineers for the last 25 years. And even MSc electronics or graduate electronic engineers don't know even the basic of what an LDR is, which is a light dependent resistor. So these kind of projects, I don't know whether even my design team, whether they are handled when they join the company, whether they are capable of doing this. If this is the way engineering is going to be taught at the basic level, I have not seen it anywhere in the world. Germany, Russia, Netherlands, England, USA, I'm not much aware about. Japan, China, yes, there I saw a little bit of these kind of courses being done. Singapore, nothing, but technically very strong, academically very, very good institutes. But at the school level, like one of the juries clearly mentioned several times, we have not seen this anywhere in our field of electronics. So I think this would be a very, very good platform. I knew of a lady who used to do lots of different things, rocketry, and she used to get people from various fields. She was doing, but not at this depth. but she was doing soft skills and hiking and trekking and photography, cycling, industrial visits, but never, I don't think she would have the infrastructure. I've not seen this kind of infrastructure in Pune anywhere. Never heard of it also in Bangalore. So I think we are all lucky to have such a place here, and if they network, they will soon develop a liking for these kind of things. I'm sure it will go a long way and help to build the nation, because books is what has been taught. Of course, academics is absolutely important, but this would also help for them to get things together, to put their act together. I hope things work out well for all of these kids and for all of you too.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jaswinder Oberoi. I'm Gianna's dad. Everything supposed to be spoken about these classes has been already been spoken. Everybody has done a good job. I just want to add one thing. Guys, whatever you have achieved today, maybe 70-80% of us will never be able to achieve it in our rest of the life also. So be proud of yourself. Be proud of yourself. No matter who won, who got the award, but all of you have done brilliant job, and keep doing it in your future.
Good evening, I'm Javik's father, and I'll not repeat many things, but the main difference which I've seen in this class is if we give a good platform to a kid and if we believe in them. Like before joining this class, I thought same ki, how will he do all these technical things? Already Hutchings is a ICSE board, आधा पागल कर देते स्कूल वाले. One more academic class, but now I think that giving a good platform to the child is important, and definitely he'll do well. That is what I believe. And regarding this course, so your curriculum is very superb, which I think, and you are very flexible. If the child misses the classes, he will never say no, don't come again. So that is the best thing. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Colonel Bagan. I am Daksh's father. I will not repeat whatever everybody has said. I just have one constructive feedback for Mr. Rajesh, that the projects I have seen, they are tremendous, and the guys have put in a lot of effort. But I will request them that the technology has advanced much more than what we are seeing right now. We can just touch upon these guys for very advanced things, like they are using the ultrasonic for the distance measuring. Now we have hopped on to LIDAR and SARs, which is the synthetic aperture radar. So I'll request the team if they could give an insight, not fully, but a small amount, that this thing can be replaced, or there is an alternative to this thing which is much more advanced in version, and they can work upon in that manner, so that they can keep pace with the technology which is happening, and can do much more wonders and much wonderful project. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Rishabh's mother, and I would like to thank Rajesh sir. I mean, it's very difficult for a parent to grab hold of a child and make him do certain things, or to at least when it comes to electronics and technical aspects, to tell him what function every part does. So over here, I was really amazed by the way he's taking interest, by the way he is presenting, and with such difficult microcontrollers and programming stuff, it's very nice, and it's really amazing to see him taking interest in doing stuff. Thank you.
So I'm Brianna's mom, and actually my older daughter there, Joanne. The reason I want to speak is because she was part of cohort 3, and now Brianna's in cohort 4. And I see, of course, you've definitely maintained the standards. I think you've gone even better than last cohort. Yeah, so if you see the like one of the projects was repeated, the Mars rover. So I expected, okay, I've seen this, but there were new things that were done in that particular project. So I can't tell you exactly what they were, but it did retain my attention. And apart from that, the kind of projects which they're doing, it was very high level. So they had jet engine last time, And I thought, okay, who can meet that? But then they had naval ship this time. So I don't know. You are able to maintain this and even go better, and I'm really happy. So unfortunately, I don't think I'll see your next cohort, but let me know. I might just come in because it's really interesting. So very good job.
Hi everyone, I am Arjun's dad. I would like to congratulate Rajesh and all the kids and all the parents for all this fantastic presentation. I just have one feedback for my child. I was pleasantly surprised to see that his academic performance has gone up because of 10x. He has learned to manage. He has learned to manage his exams and to manage the issues and all. And one feedback I have is that we need to focus more on also on the business aspects of this project.
You better you have a startup at home.
Yeah, so because all the technology is fine, but as long as a country also we need to think about that, because as long as the business aspects are not there, technology is no use. Thank you.